Hello everybody, Zach here, and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited because Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are pumping like crazy. In this particular video, we are going to focus in on Shiba Inu. So the entire crypto market only slightly green right now, less than 1%. However, the big number that it has surpassed is $2 trillion. That's right. The crypto market cap is now over $2 trillion. Again, we haven't seen this since May, and we are back in the thick of this bull run, and Shiba Inu is moving a lot higher right now than some of the main cryptocurrencies. As you can tell, Bitcoin is up, but less than 1%. Ethereum just at 1%. Cardano actually slightly red at this hour at the time of this recording. XRP 2%. Look at Dogecoin. 18% gains right now in the 24-hour period. A huge pump happening right now. And as we've mentioned, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have followed similar charts. And if we scroll down to number 41, where we find Shiba Inu, we're going to see a 6% gain right now for SHIB, 15% here in the past week. We're sitting at the 8.5 level. Let's hop over to it, get a better look at it, up 6.30%. We could see the uptick in the charts right here, especially if we come in the last week. This is a really nice picture. Trading volume is slightly down still, but we're seeing a lot of money come into SHIB all at once. And it's coming into Dogecoin too. And again, it begs the question, why are these two so interconnected? I don't have that exact answer, but I think it's fascinating. And I think I'm really excited about the fact that I do own both. Right? I've said this, and I'll say this one more time. Well, it probably won't be the last time. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are my two favorite in the crypto community space, and here's why. They're moving together, they're moving up with one another right now, and they're the highest in market cap too. So as you can see here on the week chart, setting some nice new all-time highs here in the past 7 days right now as we speak, so that's great to see for SHIB. Now let's hop into the charts here, and we can start to see this parabolic move upwards. These are 1 hour sticks. I'm going to take it into 30 minutes though instead, and we can see here what's going on here in the last 30 minutes. So now we are beginning to sell back off a bit. You can see here we pumped right back up to that same spot. We got a little bit higher than we did just a few days ago back on the 14th. Actually, this was yesterday. And now we're starting to sell back off, but we're still channeling right in our upwards trajectory here on the path. And I'm loving this because we're seeing some nice consolidation here, setting higher lows, and continuing to move upward in various chunks. Now, if we pull out the technicals, right now the technical analysis on SHIB is a strong buy. Okay, that's what we've got from the technicals. Love seeing that. The MACD and the momentum oscillators showing a buy right now. All the moving averages as well. Okay, now let's continue to look through this. And again, I want to show Dogecoin in this update because a lot of similar things happening. Look at this. I mentioned SHIB selling back off now. Look at this. So here comes Dogecoin selling back off at the same exact time. Meanwhile, we look at Bitcoin. It's too selling off just a hair, but it has circled back up over 47K. Love to see that. Ethereum, same thing. A very small red candlestick starting here for ETH as it just did touch $3,300 here in the day range. Just got up over 3,300 before it started to slowly decline now. But again, SHIB and Doge, look at the chart patterns. Here's SHIB, here's Doge. Very similar. A little bit of a difference right in here, right? A little bit more consolidation for SHIB instead of an upward move in here, right? Whereas Dogecoin had a little bit more of a fluctuation upwards here. Nice little, more consistent pattern, if you will. But if we scroll out here, look at Doge, look at SHIB. Very, very similar. Very similar in terms of when and where they're moving up. And Dogecoin is really looking bullish, okay? Look at this chart now. If we go way back to the early August days, we were still below 20 cents. We're sitting right now at 34 cents, selling off just a hair, but still It's good to see Doge coming back up, and if we scroll all the way out, let me go to the 1 hour here. I'm trying to scroll too far back on the 30-minute chart. But here's Doge on the 1 hour. Okay, here we go. Way down here on July 20th, it was 15 cents, 16 cents. It has since more than doubled. SHIB down at those levels. On the 20th of July, it was down in the 0.5 range. 0.5. It hasn't doubled yet, but we've made some great ground in the last couple weeks, almost a month now. All right, so that's sort of the update around Shiba Inu right now. I just want to quickly plug our Patreon group too. We've got the supporter level and insider level. We're having some great conversations over there today about all things crypto. People are loving this bull run. We're getting to share our gains with one another. We're talking about new projects, new cryptocurrencies we're thinking about getting into. If you need some guidance from me, I'd be happy to help you. If you go with the insider package, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts from me as well. But if you just want some general support, it's a great way to get that as well. You're going to have a ton of people in our community that are willing to help, and we're all trying to grow our portfolios together, and we're not in competition. We congratulate people when they make the right trade, and a lot of times it's just holding on to these really good assets, right? All right, so let's go back over to the CoinMarketCap Shiba Inu listing, and I want to show you the number of holders here real quick, and let's get an update on this in the past 7 days, because this is something I continue to watch. Now look at the big uptick here. It looks like they grouped in 2 days here. They went from August 12th right to August 14th, but a nice big upward trajectory here. If we take it out into the 1 month, it's been a nice steady incline. Look at this. Now that is what I like to see. Starting right in here, beginning of August, we're at 607. And in the past 15 days, we've gained about 21,000 holders. So that is over 1,000 holders per day since the first of the month. We did not see that in July. All right, if we take it back out to the 3 month, July was relatively tough. Here you can see this was some of our activity in July. It was very flat, moderate gains, maybe slightly down a little bit. It was a tough month. But now in August, we're starting to see a little bit of a upward trajectory. See the back half of that chart there? You could see that start to climb, and I'm loving that. I'm loving what we're seeing in terms of the number of holders continuing to grow, and we can actually get a real-time number here by clicking over at Etherscan just to kind of see where we're at. So here we go, 630,000 holders of Shiba Inu. Love to see it, and now it's onward to 650,000. And if you got some value out of this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I keep getting messages that people aren't receiving the alerts when I go live, the alerts when I go put out another video. So all I can say is hit the notification bell. Follow me on Twitter. It's at @Z_Humphreys to stay up to the latest on all my new uploads and all my new live streams. So thank you so much for all your support here on the channel. And hopefully, if you haven't already, hit subscribe and hang with us for a little while longer. And thanks so much. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next update.